So PixelOS is back with another new update, and this time it's based on the February 2024 security patch. Things which are new here, or is there any changes, etc. We are going to talk about everything in this video. Stay tuned and make sure to watch this video till the end. This is one of those custom home which brings you updates almost every month. So we have the new update of this month, which is basically February 2022, based on Android 14. And by the way, if you don't know, LineageOS is also based on Android 14. Now it's updated, it's now officially released. I made a video already on that one, so if you want to know more about that, check out the channel. If you move on to some of the changes which are included in this update, one of the most noticeable changes is the app which is available linked to Windows. It's already available, and 99% I'm exactly sure, I'm 99% sure that this app is available in most of the devices which supports PixelOS by default. If your device supports a February security update, if you got that update, you might also have the link to Windows app pre-installed. Another thing is, if you move on to settings option and display settings, you will find the refresh rate. So this is the sub menu which we have right now. It's a little bit changed here. You have the option to switch between 60 Hz 120 if your device supports that, and also adaptive refresh rate option. In my personal opinion, as far as I know, in the previous update this option was not there. The name is adaptive refresh rate. Although 60 Hz 120 Hz, even in some of the custom homes we have 90 Hz, it's present here. This might be device specific, but most of the devices are having the latest this refresh rate kind of thing, so likely this is available in your device too. These are just some noticeable changes, but nothing else. We have almost same kind of things available every time. Let's have a quick look at some of the things which were already present in PixelOS. For example, the network traffic indicator. Network traffic monitor is one of those things which a lot of users look after. It's already available there. You don't need any separate app to enable these kind of things. Cloned apps option is also present here, although it is a same kind of thing which you have in Android 14, although it's not same like parallel space, which is a very useful thing, but unfortunately that was present in Android 13 based custom homes. Although it's also based in some, it is also available in some of the Android 14 based custom homes, so I will get into that later on. We have some options related to charging control. In case you use that, we have three options available: automatic, custom. For example, you have the option to switch between limit charging and the custom mode. So if you choose a limit charging, you can set your charging level to something at some percentage, or if you use any other option, it's totally up to you. But the charging control option is by default disabled. You have to enable that option by moving into the battery settings. Also, in sound and vibration option, you will see in-call vibration options are also present here. These are not missing. So this is a very useful thing. You have to enable this option by moving into the vibration and haptic option. Additional sounds have the same kind of things, just we have a extra sub menu for these kind of options which is not available in other custom homes. The menu is already there in the sound and vibration section. In display options, you will find the icon manager, so where you have the option to enable or disable some of the icons. Let me tell you one thing, that this custom home does not support the VoLTE or Wi-Fi icons. In some of the custom home it's present, but PixelOS is not one of them. So yes, you have to compromise or sacrifice with those icons if you enable VoLTE or Wi-Fi icons. While making this video, Pixel Experience is also not released yet, so I'm not exactly sure when that will release, but that will be a great competition between PixelOS and Pixel Experience based on Android 14. Let's see. In Monet or the wallpapers and style, we have same kind of options. It's looking like same Pixel, or of course a Pixel Experience for you, Pixel devices or PixelOS Experience. We also have the ignore Windows secure flags, which is a very useful thing. So as you can see, remove the screenshot and screen record limits for all the apps, and this can be convenient in some cases but may lead to privacy risk. Other options are kind of same here. We don't have the app lock support, at least for now while making this video. That could be added in the upcoming update. We also have the OTA update support. So yes, for some of the users who want to update their custom home through OTA, it's there. Usually I don't update my device through OTA, especially if I'm using a custom home, but sometimes I do. For example, in LineageOS, because that is a great OTA update section, or the UI looks good, the specification of things are quite good in that case, so that is why I use that. Other than else, these were things I just wanted to let you know. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe the channel. We'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.